Alright guys, we got the limited edition 4th of July. Looks like the popsicles that I like. Oh dude, this is pretty cool. I can't wait to try them. So it looks like red, white, blue. Cool. Oh my god. Dude, Oreos. You gave me Firecracker Oreos? Ooh, snap. Dude. These are banging. Mmm. Oh my god. Firecracker Oreos, dude. Oreos. That's what I'm talking about right there. Bang. Bro. That's amazing. You can turn that into an Oreo. That's crazy. Bro, that shit is banging. Oh, dude, it's super, like, maybe 2. They're super rich. Definitely 2. It's the most. That's definitely rich, but it's good as shit. I approve of these new Oreos. They're banging. Let's pop it off.